Alright people, Big Ed here, doing a video on the 93 Electraglide. So I've been going around with this exhaust. I just bought these mufflers today. These are what's supposed to come with the bike. See how they line up? I'm waiting for some bushings to come right now to put in here. But the fishtails that I had on here, the problem with these, with the 93 Electraglide and maybe some other years, is they have that ring right here. Dumb me, I went and ordered a set of fishtails on eBay, but they're for a 95. So I'm just gonna, I'll keep them in, either sell them or keep them. I'm not sure yet. These right here I'm going to be selling, but the problem with these, they didn't have no bracket on the top here to mount. So I was trying to do the U-bolts and everything, and I kind of effed up the chrome right there. But still, I bet I could still get 75 to 100 bucks for them. But the 95 fishtails that I ordered, they don't have that ring on them. So I don't know if they're going to work. So I found these on Facebook Marketplace. $25 for both of them. So that's what I'm going to be running on the bike for now. I may eventually try to figure out something with the fishtails again. But I just want to get back on the road. They don't look too bad. They're not mounted yet, but the chrome's pretty good on them for $25 for two mufflers. These are the basic. They're not aftermarket or anything. They're OEM. But just doing a quick video, let y'all know where I'm at. I'm waiting on, like I said, I'm waiting on the bushings. Let me see if I can find one. This right here is what I'm waiting on. This groove that they cut out, that gets worn out after a while, and this outer part gets worn out, and they start having play in them. They should go in tight, and it's not going in very tight. Actually, it goes like that. But that's what I'm waiting on for them. And then I got some quick release things from a hard bag coming in. Some new things instead of the, it's going to replace these right here. They can screw in and supposed to be able to lock them or something, but yeah, they was like 10-15 bucks. So I'm going to try them out. Trying to think of what else I got ordered. I got the fishtails ordered, which I'm probably going to end up selling, but I've got the hardtail brackets ordered. I got these brackets ordered. There's a bracket that I'm going to be putting right there. Got those ordered. There's a couple other little things. But hopefully as soon as those bushings come in for right there, I'll be back on the road again. I'm curious to see how, I haven't run this bike yet with a smooth exhaust. I hope it runs smooth. We'll find out. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.